Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. Today I am going to teach you English Grammar Class 3 Chapter 5 Nouns Singular and Plural. So students, take out your grammar textbook page number 25. So let's start our new chapter. Nouns Singular and Plural. Singular means one and plural means more than one. So let's start. Countable nouns can be one or many. When we are speaking about one thing, we use the singular form of the noun. It means when we talk about only one thing, at that time we have to use singular form of the noun. For example, girl. If we talking about one girl, so we says girl, okay, only girl, girl, girl. Then pen, pen, pen. So students, now let's see the what is the definition of plural. When we are speaking about many things, we use the plural form of noun. So when we talking about more than one things, so at that time we use plural. जब हम एक से ज़्यादा चीज़ के बारे में बात करते हैं तब हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? प्लूरल फॉर्म. So if there are 4 or 5 girls, so we use here girls. Then if the pens are more than one, so we use pens. Okay, like this we use the plural form. Now let's see. We need to follow certain rules while changing the singular nouns to their plural form. Study the rules given below carefully. Students, you know how to change singular into plural. But here in the class 3, here the certain rules are here. So when you change the singular into plural, you have to follow certain rules. And that rules you follow in singular to plural. So rule number 1, A. The plural of most words in is made by adding the letter s to the word as in. आप सबको पता है जब हम फर्स्ट में और सेकंड में पढ़े हैं सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल में हमने क्या ऐड करते थे? सिंगुलर टू प्लूरल करने के लिए हम ओनली एस ऐड करते हैं. मीन्स मोस्ट ऑफ द वर्ड्स चेंज विथ एडिंग एस. जैसे कि गर्ल, गर्ल्स, एप्पल, एप्पल्स, बैग, बैग्स, डोर, doors, dog, dogs, shirt, shirts, street, streets, eraser, erasers. Now let's see rule number 2, B. For nouns that end with s, sh, ch, sh, o or x, we add es to the singular forms to make plurals. As in, students, when the noun, when the this word end with s, look here in this spelling of bus, bus end with s or double s, and ch, sh, look, these words are changed with es. Okay, so जब ये words जो है जो s, x, ch, एस एस से एंड होता है तब हमें क्या ऐड करना है? ई एस. सो दिस रूल्स यू हैव टू रिमेंबर. सो वी हैव टू ऐड ई एस हियर. सो लेट्स द एग्जाम्पल. बी यू एस बस, buses, bus, buses. Fox, f o x, fox, foxes, f o x e s, foxes. Guess, guesses. Branch, branches. Watch, watches. Wish, wishes. Lace, laces. Buzz, buzzes. So like this we add es at the end when the word end with s, sh, ch, sh or x. So underline this line. So you remember these words when they end. Here we have to add es. Okay. Now let's see the C. For certain nouns that end with o, we add es in the end. As in, when the noun end with o, here also we have to add es. जब noun o से end होता है तो हमें क्या ऐड करना है? es. जैसे कि टोमेटो, tomatoes. Now students, turn the page number 26. Hero, heroes. Zero, zeros. Mosquito, mosquitoes. Mango, mangoes.
When the noun end with O, we add es there. तो जब noun O से end होता है तो हम क्या लगाते हैं es. Okay students, so these changes you have to remember. Then the rule D, certain nouns that end with F or FE change to VES as in. So when the noun end with F or FE, अगर नाउन के एंड में एफ और एफ ही आता है तो हम क्या लगाना है यहाँ पे VES. तो हमें उसको प्लूरल करते समय VAS ऐड करना है. ओके, लुक एट द वन, फर्स्ट वन, काफ, CALF, काफ, 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 काफ. Wolf, wolves, WOLF, wolf. Look at the picture of wolf is here. This is the one wolf and the many three wolf is there. So we have written here wolves. Wife, वाइफ में क्या किया है हमने, एफ ई को रिमूव करके VES लगाया है. वाइफ, वाइव्स. नाइफ, knives. So we have put VES and we remove the F and FE in the singular to plural. Okay, so these changes you have to remember while doing the exercise. Then the E, the plural of words ending in Y depends upon the letter before the Y. Look at the table given below. Now the table is given and some two rules is here. Letter before Y. When the letter before Y, जैसे कि स्पेलिंग में यहाँ पे सिंगुलर में Y के आगे वॉवेल्स है तो हम क्या ऐड करें, we add only S. When in singular noun, when the last letter is Y and before that vowel is there, we add only S. But when the noun is Y, last letter is Y and before consonant letter is there, we have to put IES and we drop the Y और हमें Y को रिमूव करना है. तो ये दो रूल्स आपको रिमेम्बर रखना है. वॉवेल्स, बिफोर वॉवेल्स पुट ओनली S एंड कॉन्सोनेंट पुट IES. तो यहाँ पे देखो Y को चेंज करके यहाँ पे IES लिखा है और यहाँ पे ओनली S लिखना है. सो लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. बॉय, बॉयज, की, कीज, कैंडी, कैंडीज, ब्यूटी, ब्यूटीज, baby, babies, pony, ponies, country, countries.
The next one, F. Some words do not follow any of the above rules as in. So students, in these words, singular when singular change into plural, we have to not follow any rules. We have to change the spelling. Okay, now let's see which words are there. Foot, FOOT, foot. So what is the plural of foot? FEET, feet. Foot, feet. Goose, GOOSE, goose. GEESE, geese. Ox, OX, ox. OXEN, auction. Child, CHILD, child. Children, CHILDREN, children. Mouse, MOUSE, mouse. MICE, mice. Tooth, TOOTH, tooth. TEETH, teeth. Man, MAN, man. MEN, man. Woman, WOMAN, woman. WOMEN, woman. So here in this singular to plural, we have to change the spelling. Okay, so this one you have to remember these words. Now see the page, see page number 27. G. However, there are certain nouns which do not change their spelling in their plural forms as in. So students, आपको ये याद रखना है कि कुछ ऐसे नाउन है जिसका स्पेलिंग हम प्लूरल करते हैं तब वो सेम ही रहता है, वो चेंज नहीं होता। जैसे कि फिश, फिश रिमेन द सेम व्हेन चेंज वी इनटू प्लूरल। डियर, डियर ऑल्सो रिमेन द सेम इन प्लूरल। sheep also remain same, and furniture. These four words and do not change their plural. ओके, ये प्लूरल में सेम ही रहेंगे, आपको इसमें कुछ चेंजेस करना नहीं है। सो लेट्स सी द नोट हियर। इन द सिंगुलर अ नाउन कैन बी प्रिसीडेड बाय ए और एन। सिंगुलर में क्या होता है, और ए और एन हम आर्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं, हम प्लूरल में यूज़ नहीं करेंगे। सो दिस वन यू हैव टू रिमेंबर। नाउ लेट्स डू द एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1. Fill in the blanks with the correct plural form of the nouns given in brackets. One has been done for you. So students, here you have to fill the gaps and noun is given in the brackets. So you have to write the correct plural form in this noun. Okay. So first one is done for you. You must put away your dash after playing with them. So toys. So what is the right word for plural of the toy? Toys, T-O-Y-S. So here we add S, so toys. Now next one, the dash are swimming in the tank. So what is the plural of fish? It doesn't remain change. So we will write the same fish here, because in the rule number G we see that spelling does not change of the fish. Okay, so write the fish here same. The fish are swimming in the tank. Third one is, mother could not find her dash glasses. So double S is here, so we put ES. The church are dash are ringing. So bell. So here we add S. The bells. The church bells are ringing. Even the dash are sweets. So mangoes. The last word is O. So here we put ES. Mangoes. F. The Adam has no dash enemy. E-N-E-M-Y enemy. So here we put I-E-S. So see students, we have to remove Y and we have to put I-E-S, enemies. So mangoes and enemies, like this you have to write in your grammar book. So now let's see our exercise number 2. Change the underlined singular nouns to their plural forms and rewrite the following sentence. One has been done for you. So students, see the A here. A man is eating a mango. So here you have to change this mango singular to plural and write the sentence again. So the right sentence is, the man is eating mangoes. So here we put ES and we have removed article A. Okay. So next one is, the child is flying a kite. The answer is, the child is flying kites. K-I-T-E-S. So here we change kite spelling and we have removed the A. Okay. The C1, I broke a dish today. So what is the answer? I broke dishes. D-I. So here we add ES. Dishes today. So students, like this you have to write the answer. Now the D1, they are moving the furniture from their house. So here we have to write the furniture same, no changes will be done. So what is the answer? They are moving the furniture from their house. So like this you have to write the answer. Okay. Now turn the page number 28. Here also some example given. Today I saw a colorful fish in the aquarium. So students, here you have to remove A and the fish will be the same spelling will you have to write here. So what is the answer? Today I saw colorful fish in the aquarium. Like this you have to write all this answer. Now let's see the F answer. The ox is running in the fields. The ox is running in the field. So here we put the S after the field. She twisted her foot while dancing. So here the answer, she twisted her feet. F-O-O की प्लेस पर हम क्या लिखेंगे? F-E-E-T, feet, while dancing. H, I have a talking doll. So here the answer, I have talking dolls. Okay, so here we put S. So like this you have to change the words and make the correct sentence. Now let's see the exercise number 3. Write the plural forms of the following nouns. Make sentences with each of them. One has been done for you. So students, here the noun is given. You have to make the plural of this noun and then you have to write the sentence. Okay. So we have to put the plural form of the noun in the sentence. So let's see the example first. We picked berries from the garden. So here we put berries, 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 berries. So like this you have to make the answer. Let's first we make the plural of the noun. Bench, benches, ferry, ferries, nail, nails, glass, glasses, story, stories. So like this we have to make the first plural, then we make the sentence. So what is the sentence of benches? So here the sentence we can say that any sentence you can make using the benches. Now we all children sat together on the benches. You make your sentence also. Okay, आप अपना भी sentence बना सकते हो. ऐसा नहीं है कि जो मैं आपको बताती हूँ वही आपको लिखना है, लेकिन आपको बेंचेस का वर्ड यूज़ करना है. सेकंड वन इज़ फेरी. आई बिलीव इन फेरीज. आई लाइक फेरीज ड्रेस वेरी मच. लाइक दिस यू मेक द सेंटेंस. ओके. थर्ड वन, नेल. So don't bite your nails. Don't bite your nails. And the even glasses. So grandmother lost her glasses. Like this you make the sentence, or you can say that I like to wear sunglasses. Then story. There are many interesting stories in my book. And you can say that I like to read stories very much. So like this students you have to make the sentences. So let's see. So when you write it will look like this. So you have to write like this in your grammar textbook. Now students, our chapter number 5 is finished here. We will meet in our next video. Till then, bye students. Have a nice day. Thank you.